Flowmaster, the leader in performance technology, introduces the new FlowFX exhaust system for the 2015 and the 2016 Dodge Challenger RT with a 5.7-liter engine. This bolt-on cat-back exhaust system features 409S stainless steel construction, uses a 2.5-inch Scavenger X-pipe crossover, and a pair of Flowmaster new FlowFX straight-through mufflers with a 3-inch internal cores. And then it's finished off with the 2.5-inch stainless steel tailpipes that reuse the factory OEM exhaust tips that exit through the rear bumper valance. These new FlowFX Cat-back exhaust systems will give you all the performance benefits, but without the chamber muffler sound. It will typically produce a modern interior and an aggressive exterior sound level with a deep performance tone without breaking the bank. Like all Flowmaster systems, the benefits include improved throttle response and is Dyno-Tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking for maximum performance and a deep and aggressive sound, then this system is for you. This system includes all necessary parts and hardware for easy at-home installation and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty, giving you peace of mind while protecting your investment. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.